Okay, today we're playing The Tunnel. I've never played it. So, what should I do? Oh, okay. It's like a horror game. Should show like Chris Thomas. I've never played Chris Thomas, so. Okay, I've never done this game, so here we are. Let's see if we can beat it. I'm only gonna have one try for this. Oh, why did I fall? Oh, okay, I think I remember. What's that sound? Looks like it's like a running game. I feel like those boards will fall. It's like Seek Chase Doors. Wait, didn't we? Guys, I do not know how to play this game. I'm just following my fellow friends. Don't touch those. I don't think you want to touch the UFO, or that toxic gas, it looks like. Guys, someone tell me how to play this game. This is not a game I was expecting. Run from Chris Thomas. It's called The Tunnel. I didn't know we could just go straight on them. I don't think we're supposed to touch that. Do you think? Someone tell me if I'm supposed to touch it. Or if I would touch it before. We made a Random Friends video before and I died. How can I tell you that? So it's okay if I die in this one. First time ever playing. Random Friends, I just didn't play it in a long time. this game. Okay, so looks like I just fell off the map. That was a good time for our first try. That does not. I do not see Thomas yet. Remember, do not look back. Well, don't actually slow down. Okay, see Thomas now. Go. I have no one to guide me this time. Thinks it can get me. It actually might be able to. Oh my god, that's a lot of Thomases. I should not fall. Okay, we know there's gonna be an explosion there. Okay, remember, go inside this. Oh, I instantly broke that. Remember, don't touch that green gas, or couldn't that just be an escape? Are you sure Chris Thomas would be able to? Oh yeah, I forgot he can stretch his neck. But I've seen videos. God, Thomas spawns. Stay along the edges. Is that where Thomas spawns? He spawns. Ah, I hate this part. Just go spinning and spinning and spinning. How am I supposed to get out of this? I don't even know what I'm doing again. Cars, spot Thomas time. Okay, remember space rocks are dangerous. That's get there. Well, no, the demon one has the demon Tom. Demon Toms that doesn't even kill you has to spawn. I forgot. Wait, they have to have the explosion symbol on there to kill me, right? Okay. The tunnel is a very hard game. I bet other people could beat it though. I didn't see that last time. I really didn't. Chris Thomas is the most annoyingest thing and very hard. And he's right behind me, is the thing.